Hey everyone, ever dreamt of building your own online space? Maybe a blog, a business website, or even a portfolio showcase? Well, the first step to making that dream a reality is choosing and registering the perfect domain name. Today, we'll break down the process into bite-sized steps, so you can snag your ideal domain without any fuss. Picking the perfect domain. Brainstorming. Start by jotting down keywords related to your website's purpose and target audience. Think short, memorable, and easy to spell. Keep it brandable. Uniqueness is key. Use online domain availability checkers to ensure your chosen name isn't already taken. Consider alternative spellings or extensions like .com, .net, or even creative options like .art or .io. Pro tip: avoid hyphens and numbers, they can make your domain harder to remember and type. Choosing a domain registrar. Shop around. There are tons of domain registrars out there, each with different features and pricing. Look for ones with good customer support, competitive rates, and user-friendly interfaces. Read reviews. See what other users are saying about their experiences with different registrars. Trustworthy platforms are essential for securing your domain safely. Bonus features: compare additional offerings like web hosting, email accounts, and SSL certificates. Some registrars bundle these services, making them convenient one-stop shops. Registering your domain. Enter your chosen name. Once you've found your perfect registrar, head to their website and use the domain search tool. Check availability and choose your desired extension. Fill in the details. Provide your personal information and contact details for registration. Remember, you're essentially renting the domain, so keep your contact information up to date. Payment time. Choose your preferred payment method and proceed to checkout. Most registrars accept credit cards, debit cards, and even PayPal. Securing your domain. Domain privacy. Consider adding domain privacy protection to shield your personal information from public WHOIS directories. This can help prevent spam and unwanted contact. Email setup. Many registrars offer email accounts associated with your domain. Set these up if you plan to use them for professional communication. DNS management. Point your domain to your web hosting provider using the Domain Name System (DNS) settings. This tells the internet where to find your website content. Wrapping up. Congrats, you're a domain owner. Remember, it's like planting a seed for your online presence. Nurture it with valuable content and engaging experiences, and watch your website blossom. Bonus resources. Share some helpful links in the video description, like domain availability checkers, registrar comparison websites, and tutorials on setting up your website. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their domain name struggles or successes in the comments below. Build a community around the exciting world of web creation. Outro. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy domain hunting.